Sir, I want to tell something.
Yes, please tell me, Ayesha, what happened?
Sir, when I speak English, people laugh at me. They smile and talk to each other. I feel very bad. I feel I am not good. My English is very weak.
Oh, I understand. You feel sad because people laugh when you speak English. But don't worry, Ayesha. It's okay to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when they learn a new language. You are learning, and learning takes time.
But, sir, I feel shy to speak. My tongue stops. I know some words, but when I speak, I forget everything.
That happens to many students, Ayesha. It's normal. When we speak another language, our mind tries to translate every word. That takes time, and we feel nervous. But if you practice every day, you will start to speak more naturally.
So, sometimes I think I cannot learn English. It looks very hard for me.
Ayesha, do you know what I always tell my students? There is no hard language, only new language. English is not hard. It's just new for you. When something is new, it looks difficult at first. But after practice, it becomes easy.
That is true, sir. When I started learning to write, I also felt it was hard, but now it's easy.
Exactly. Just like writing or riding a bicycle or cooking. English also needs practice. You cannot become fluent in one day. But if you practice every day, a little reading, a little listening, and a little speaking, you will become better.
So, what should I do first to learn fast?
First, you should focus on listening and speaking simple English every day. Don't worry about grammar too much at the start. Grammar will come later. The goal is communication, to understand and to be understood.
So, I should speak more?
Yes, speak as much as you can, even if it's not perfect. Talk to your friends in English or talk to yourself in front of the mirror. You can even record your voice and listen to it. This will help you notice your mistakes and improve pronunciation.
I feel strange talking to myself, sir.
That's okay. It's one of the best ways to practice. Imagine you are talking to someone. For example, you can say, "Hello, how are you today?" Or, "I am feeling happy because today is Sunday." Say it loudly and clearly.
Okay, sir, I will try that.
Good. Also, watch simple English videos, short stories, and cartoons. They help you understand natural speaking. Do you watch English videos?
Sometimes I watch, but I don't understand everything.
That's fine. You don't need to understand every word. Just try to catch the main idea. Who is speaking? What they are talking about? What is happening? Slowly, your brain will start to understand more words automatically.
Sir, sometimes I read English books too, but I stop when I don't know the meaning of words.
That's a common mistake. When you don't understand a word, don't stop reading. Try to guess the meaning from the sentence. If you stop every time, you will lose interest. You can check the dictionary later.
So I should read without stopping?
Yes, read for understanding, not only for translation. You can read simple stories or short articles every day. Even reading for 10 minutes daily can help a lot.
Sir, I feel motivated when you talk like this. It gives me hope.
Thank you, Ayesha. I'm happy to hear that. Remember, learning English is like growing a plant. You water it every day with practice, and one day it blooms beautifully.
That's a nice example, sir. I like it.
Thank you. So, from today, you will practice speaking every day, even a few minutes, right?
Yes, sir. I promise I will try.
Very good. And don't worry if people laugh. Maybe they are not laughing at you. Maybe they are surprised or happy to hear you speak English. Even if they do laugh, let them. You are learning. You are brave.
Yes, sir. I will try not to feel bad.
That's the spirit, Ayesha. Be confident. Every great speaker was once a learner. You are on the right path.
Thank you, sir. I feel better now.
Good. Let's practice a small conversation, okay?
Okay, sir.
I will ask you some simple questions. Answer in English. Ready?
Yes, sir.
What is your name?
My name is Ayesha.
Very good. Where are you from?
I am from Pakistan.
Excellent. How old are you?
I am 17 years old.
Perfect. Now tell me, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read stories and watch cartoons.
That's wonderful. You spoke clearly, Ayesha. Keep speaking with confidence like this.
Thank you, sir. I will practice every day.
Very good. Remember, practice, patience, and positivity. These three things will make your English strong.
Practice, patience, and positivity. I will remember that, sir.
Excellent! That's enough for today. Next time, we will learn how to talk about your daily routine in English.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, Ayesha. Keep practicing, and don't forget to smile when you speak English. It makes you sound confident.
Okay, sir. I will.